What is that,
Here,
Natalie?
yours, bud.
Oh, those are clear.
Okay, thank you.
It's more Legos.
More Legos.
Oh, Legos.
Wow, that's a lot of Legos.
Wow. This is clear.
Peter, I think the what's in the red bag there is for everyone.
This,
No, the bag. The bag. No, right at your feet.
this,
At your feet.
this,
Yes.
this.
Yep, that's for everyone.
What's inside?
Open it up.
Mama, look at that.
Well, you know what? That is from Grandma and Grandpa. You can open it.
Yeah. Close your eyes.
Okay. I close my eyes. I'm videoing you. Let's see what it is. You know what that is?
What?
It's a new cover for your comforter.
Look at that, Peter. It's a game.
And those are new things for
Oh,
your
Monopoly
pillows.
Junior.
What do you think? You like?
Love it.
Lo-
What's this one?
That's check the label on that, Peter.
I can't find the label. P-E-T-E-R.
And who else? Is anyone else?
Mom, look. Mine.
Yeah. What's Claire doing?
Look at the book.
A book.
What the ladybug heard. Ah,
That's a map, Peter.
I think this is friendship bracelet.
Yeah, that looks like what it is.
Look at her wrist.
Wow, that must be a really cool way to make friendship bracelets.
Yeah. I'll probably learn in a sec.
Probably. It's quite a pile here. Let's see. Let's get Mommy on video. Oops. Hey, Mommy. Christmas 2012. Let's see what's next.
Natalie! N-N-T-A-L-E. Does it say that? No. Cute. Mama, look what I got.
That's a big present. I
Wait
wonder
a
what that is.
This can't be my American Girl. No, it just can't. It's too big. It's if I really pay $105 for this. What's in here? No, it is. I know it's real. Yeah!
Whoa, look at those beads. That should be enough for a while.
Natalie, look, beads. Awesome. Yay! That is what I needed. Girl. See? It's perfect.
It's perfect. No.
It's perfect. What's in here?
That's for Claire.
Perfectly.
That's for Claire,
Thank
bud.
you, Sandy.
But don't open it, bud. Oh, you can actually start it for her.
Daddy, look it. Daddy.
Look at that.
Did
It's your own purse.
Santa bring the right one?
Yeah. Look.
I can't believe it.
No freckles, blue eyes, dark hair. Oh.
That's awesome. Look at what you got, Natalie. And Claire.
I got my own purse.
Make your own purse.
I'm taking this off.
All right.
Daddy, can you open her?
All right. Well, we'll do a little cleanup. We don't want to lose all the stuff that we
don't
just
wanna step on
opened.
everything and break them. Claire, let's open
Did we
this
get
one.
all the presents?
Claire still hasn't opened a couple here. You want to open this
Can
one
we
first?
open this?
Yeah.
I did it. We did it. Do that. Can we open this? Santa the want some scissors?
Yep, I got the scissors. One.
Oh, look at that doll.
You go, bud.
Daddy, look.
I know. Look at all those beads.
Thank you. Natalie,
What's that?
Mama, can you get her out? She's all stuck.
What's that, Peter?
Batman.
Cool.
I'm putting her. Natalie. awesome. Mama, look what
Oh my
our
goodness.
purple
Oh, what'd Claire get?
The purple party outfit. Claire, would your Bitty baby like to wear it today? Claire, this is yours. Claire, this is yours. Full presents.
Oh, that Claire, this is from Aunt Ann and Uncle Kevin. And actually, it's from Charlie.
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 Exciting.
Is it huge?
Let's see.
See what it is.
Up, Peter. Let Claire do it, please.
But he's just trying to stretch it out. Is it lunch? Is it lunch?
I bet it's delicious if it's lunch.
But it doesn't smell good. I'm so excited.
A doctor's kit. Look at that, Claire.
Whoa.
Whoa, you say thank you to Charlie?
Mama, can you get her undone?
Yeah.
She's
Alright.
Dr. Speed car.
Cool. We need to find all our presents in all this wrapping paper.
I can. This is mine.
Let's see.
This is mine.
I'm on video. Christmas
This is a
2012.
lot of presents.
Lots of presents from Santa.